Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here, and today I'm just going to be showing you like a really quick and easy makeup tutorial. It's actually not really a tutorial because let's be honest, I can't do makeup to save my life, but I'm learning. This is just going to be like what I do like makeup wise when I'm in a hurry and I just have to like put something on my face before going out. So starting off, I obviously have a clean face and I am just going to prime it. And the primer that I use is the Pore Professional by Benefit. I actually have a mini one here. I'm going to try to use up the rest of it. And I just put this on with my fingers. I don't like use a brush. I don't put it on like everywhere, just in the areas that I get really dry or like wrinkly, I guess. I got my face primed. What I actually like doing is starting off with my eyes. Don't ask me why, that's just like how I like doing things. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go in with this Iconic London palette and I'm going to go in probably with this color is called Taupe to Taupe or Taupe de Taupe or something like that. And I'm just going to put this like all over my like eye, or what is this called? I don't even know. The crease, I think? I don't know. Like, please forgive me. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I think it's what you call it, like the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with, I don't know, probably, we're gonna do this like shimmery color. It's called Icon. And we're just going to put like a little bit of shimmer on the eyes. Sweep this back and forth. And then I just kind of like blend it out a little. Eyeshadow is done, so now I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner, just in black. And I'm just going to go along like my bottom waterline, I think it's called. It's so weird because I see like almost nobody doing this, but I don't know. I only do it on the bottom like waterline, I think it's called, and I just like the way it looks. I don't know. I don't really, normally I don't really do any eyeliner on the top lash, and I know a lot of people are like cringing right now, being like, holy shit, really? But I don't know. I just don't like it up there. It doesn't look good on me. I just like to darken out my waterline a little bit. I don't know. It just looks more natural for me. I don't know. Alright, so then I'm gonna go in with the Roller Lash by Benefit mascara. Put on like 2 to 3 coats of this. It's like drying out, so I'm going to have to retire this soon. Okay, so now my eyes are done. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I just have the Gimme Brow by Benefit. And honestly, I don't do a whole lot with eyebrows. I just like darken them up a little bit just so that they are more noticeable. Because honestly, I don't really care that much about brows. Yeah, that's all I really do. All right, so now I'm gonna do my face, and I just use this CC cream by It. I just get a little bit on like a damp beauty blender. This is by Eco Tools, I think, the beauty blender. Just get a little bit on there, and then just kind of, yeah, do your thing here. Smush it into my face. I might need a little bit more. This is kind of like a medium to low coverage, but honestly that's what I like for a more like natural look. Okay, so now I am just gonna do some bronzer. This is the Ofra bronzer in the shade Americano, just for like a little bit of like color onto my face. I don't do much of this. I'm really bad at contouring, and I don't exactly know how. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with blush. This is just the Be Cheeky powder blush by Ipsy and Betty Boop when they did a little collab thing. And then finally what I'm going to do is set all this. This is the Everyday Vacay Ciate London setting powder. So I just take like a really fluffy brush, get some on here, and in the lid I just kind of like tap it off and just put it everywhere. Especially on my wrinkly ass forehead. And chin. It's where everything creases the most. And then I take a setting spray of some sort. I really like using this Vital Greens face mist by First Aid Beauty. I always like to shake it. I don't know why. It's just like a habit that I have. I just spritz this all over my face, and to make it dry, I got this little fan handy. Okay, and there you have it. That is just like my really quick go-to makeup look. It is extremely I don't know what you would really call it. Very low-key, and I miss a lot of steps, I think, but whatever, you know what, it works for me right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!